friend here. Yeah, from Thailand. Husband and wife. We'll go to Ikalok catching salmon. Yeah, 14 kilometers to walk. Alright, let's go. Second fishing adventure. Let's go. I will try to put this you should try to put this.
A few moments later.
Slowly, slowly. Take it now, take it now. Take it. Down siya. Yes. Yes. Take it. Yeah! Yahoo! Yeah! Take it here. Yes! Huli siya. Good. Good size. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. The video. Good size. Yes, they have more I saw. You put on the plastic. Yes, yes. I think only 1 kilo this one. Yay! You did it. You're not loose. How many kilo? Yes. You're lucky. I saw there a lot. When you catch, I saw again. Yes. How many kilo? It's big. All right.
Kid.
1.3?
9.
What?
No kilo. 9.
0.9. Ah, okay. Yes. Yay!
Eventually.
Siya, ako wala pa. Yeah, you're good. You're lucky today. It's big. It's so big. Yeah. 2 points. Oh my God. They got 2 points. Oh! Wala pa. How many kilo? 2 points. 2 points. Oh, 1 kilo. All right. Yeah. Yee. See? You're lucky. Siya. Ako nga. Mamaya. Teka lang. At least nakahuli, di ba? Hindi sila na zero.
Later.
Nakatatlo na siya. Grabe. Ayun, oh. Oh! I think again, 0.9. 3 pieces. Salmon. All right. Yeah. Three pieces. All right. Yee! Three. All right. All right. Three. Ayun yung dalawa kanina. Ako wala pa. Nga. Yay! You see, that Highlander is lucky today. Oh, yeah, come. Come, 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 come. Yay! Mm. Woo! Salmon, salmon again. Yeah, where's here?
You.
Ah, okay,
For
okay.
you. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. This is all yours.
Yes.
Take. This yours.
Okay, okay.
Yes. We're lucky today. Yes. Finally, we got catching.
Okay.
There's how many? 2,
1, 2,
6,
4,
Bye.
5, 5.
5.
Bye.
Yeah.
5 salmon. Yes. Yay. Happy. Happy. Shalala.
1 hour later.
Yan. Luto ko na. Kapainin na siya. Yan yung ikalok. Tawagan na Greenland salmon. Trout daw ang tawag yun. Trout. Ano laging trout? Ito lang yun. Basta isdayan, masarap salmon. Kasi pimpin sa eh! Huwag kang bumutok! Masakit, masakit! Mas gusto ko siya ano yung malutong. Gusto ko yung tostado. Gusto ko siya alright. Ayan, Maruko, yung request mo. Eto na yung ano yung isda na nahuli namin kahapon ng mga Thailander. Sarap. Sarap. Yung karne niya, oh. Ba? Ayos ba? Yan yung request ha. Hindi ko sabi, ako luto. Ako luto ngayon. Ako kain na, Maruko ha. Okay. Sarap. Sarap, Maruko. Ano? Salamat, mga Alright!